So, are you having trouble getting toilet paper? Aren't we all? Bit of a struggle, isn't it? So, how about if you could make one toilet roll last 70 days? That would be quite something, wouldn't it? So, I've got an idea that's been sent to me from Peter, one of our subscribers. He usually comes up with some great ideas. He's come up with some great water saving ideas in the past. Thanks for those, mate. And this one involves making this go a lot further than it does. Normally we take 2 or 3 sheets up and fold it all together and use it, don't we? And it gets through the toilet roll really quick. Now I've got a really cheap nasty toilet roll here, it's all I've got left, and you can see it peels off, just typical, but you take anything at the moment, wouldn't we? But his idea is this: you get a sheet, single sheet, there's usually 220 of these on a roll. So you tear the sheet off, there it is there, and if you've got an old towel, or any old towels really that you don't use anymore, and cut them up just under the size of that sheet of toilet paper, so they're a little bit smaller, just under, okay? Cut them all up into as many squares as you can and have them ready by the loo. Have another basket on the other side of the loo ready to put the used bits of towel in when you've finished, because the idea is that you put the square of towel on the back of the toilet paper. Okay, so when you've been with the towel, you wipe your bum, okay, and let that drop into the pan, but hang on to the towel. Most important, you don't drop the towel in the toilet. If it is you do, you've got to fish it out. So that's the only minor thing. So it's probably only going to work for adults. Children will probably definitely drop it. So this is one for us grown-ups, probably more. Okay, so you let that go in. Now with that towel, you have a bin on the other side and just put it in there for washing. Okay, so you've got a dirty bin that side, in it goes, and that has to be washed, but you can let it a few dry up. So all you've done is used one single sheet. Let's just say there's 220 sheets on a roll. So Pete reckons if by using that method, even if you use this 3 times a day to wipe your life with, that you'll get 70 days out of it, out of one roll. So that makes the whole thing go a lot further, doesn't it? So the only minus point is that you mustn't let that towel go down, and if it does, do not try to flush it. Right? You will block up the toilet. So there is a heavy price to pay if you let go of the towel, which I say is why I think this one's only for grown-ups. Well, if you don't like the idea, it's just a thought, it's just something that's been suggested to me. I think it's worth putting out there. I'm sure you've got your own ideas on saving toilet paper or other methods that you use to try and make this go a bit further, this vital piece of equipment. But there we are, you know, it's my idea from Pete that I've passed on to you, and hopefully it might be of use to you. So, if you've got any ideas, let me know yours, and that's it though, just another little tip, hopefully might help you through these troublesome times. Okay, that's it, all my stuff, usual place, Derek from 33, bye bye.